Welcome back to MVP Auto 9X. Today we take you inside the heart of Italian performance engineering, deep into the legendary factory of Ferrari in Maranello, where passion, precision, and technology come together to create the 2027 Ferrari Hypercar. This is not just a car assembly line. This is where speed is crafted, where art meets aerodynamics, and where every bolt tightened carries decades of racing heritage. As the sun rises over Maranello, the factory glows in golden light. Inside these walls, innovation never sleeps. Raw aluminum sheets and carbon fiber materials arrive early in the morning, carefully inspected before entering production. Every material used in a Ferrari must meet extreme standards. Lightweight, strong, and perfectly engineered, because performance begins at the molecular level. The journey starts in the chassis department. Robotic laser cutters move with flawless precision, shaping aluminum components that will form the skeleton of the hypercar. Sparks fly in rhythmic patterns as automated welding arms fuse structural elements together. But despite the advanced robotics, human engineers constantly monitor every movement. In Ferrari's world, technology supports craftsmanship, it never replaces it. Next comes the carbon fiber monocoque, the core of the car's strength. Sheets of woven carbon fiber are layered by specialists and placed into high-pressure molds. Under intense heat, the material transforms into an ultralight, ultra-strong structure. This monocoque is designed to protect, to perform, and to dominate both road and track. Suspension components are assembled with surgical precision. Every control arm, every adaptive damper, every carbon ceramic brake is installed with exact torque specifications. The braking system alone represents years of motorsport research. Massive carbon ceramic discs are mounted carefully, ensuring heat resistance under extreme speeds. Now we move to the heart of the machine, the engine. The 2027 Ferrari Hypercar features a twin-turbo V8 combined with advanced hybrid electric motors. The engine block sits proudly on the assembly platform, a masterpiece of mechanical design. Skilled technicians install pistons, crankshafts, and turbochargers with extraordinary care. Robotic torque tools ensure perfect bolt tension, while engineers double-check every detail. The hybrid system integration is where the future meets tradition. Electric motors are precisely aligned with the combustion engine. High-voltage battery packs are secured safely within the chassis. This combination delivers instant electric torque and explosive gasoline power. The hypercar then enters the paint shop, a dust-free, climate-controlled chamber. Here, robotic arms spray Ferrari's iconic Rosso red paint in multiple ultra-thin layers. The metallic particles shimmer under bright inspection lights. After curing under UV lamps, specialists manually inspect the surface, polishing it to a mirror-like finish. The paint is not just color, it is identity. Lighting systems are installed next. Sharp LED headlights and aerodynamic taillights are carefully integrated into the bodywork. Each lighting unit undergoes brightness and alignment testing to meet strict global standards. Inside the cabin, the craftsmanship becomes even more personal. The carbon fiber dashboard is mounted, followed by a fully digital instrument cluster that lights up with a futuristic animation. Hand-stitched leather seats are crafted by artisans who treat every interior like a custom masterpiece. Alcantara surfaces, aluminum accents, and precision stitching create a cockpit designed around the driver.